Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to clear notification on Ziprecruiter. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter job seeker account, which of course I've done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. Its AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to clear notification on Ziprecruiter. So how do you clear your notification? Like if you don't want notifications anymore, how do you clear your notification? The first thing I'd like you to do is to check the top right corner of your screen, and you're going to find this three dots menu. Click on that. It has this extended menu that says profile, resume, job alert, notification, account settings, mobile app, blog, support, and sign out. Now go ahead and click on notifications. So in here you have your notifications. So you're currently updating preferences for marysmithing34@gmail.com. So you have notifications here for job recommendations. If you don't want this anymore, just uncheck this box. For instant notifications when you match to a job hub or smart matching technology, uncheck it. Now, application status updates to your job applications, including when it is received, viewed, rated, or closed by an employer, and other updates related to your job search, uncheck it. Now, profile activity, receive information about which companies are viewing your profile, updates on your saved and viewed jobs, suggestions for improving your profile, and more, uncheck it. Messages from employers, notifications when an employer contacts you about your job application, uncheck it. Now, communication from Ziprecruiter, product tips and guidance to help you get the most out of Ziprecruiter, including your job search advice, feedback requests, and product update. Uncheck it. And after unchecking, don't forget to click on the Save Changes button. After saving your changes, that's going to be it. Now, your notification has been cleared. So please let us know why you're subscribed. I received too many mails. Let them know I found a job or the job I received are irrelevant to me, and then click on the submit, and that's just going to be it. So this is pretty much how you can clear your notifications on Ziprecruiter. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.